Oke, ini adalah materi kali ini. Oke. Right. Ya, materi kali ini adalah judulnya kegiatan akhir minggu. Okay, so it will be discussed later on in this session about the weekend activities. Okay, weekend activities. Akhir minggu means weekend, and then kegiatan means activity. If you want to state many activities in bahasa, you can say kegiatan-kegiatan. So you say it twice. Okay, kegiatan-kegiatan, or it means activities. Okay, so kegiatan akhir minggu ya. Today's material is kegiatan akhir minggu. Nah, apa saja sih tujuan pembelajarannya dalam pertemuan kali ini? Seperti biasanya, saya harus mengemukakan tujuan pembelajaran dulu di awal, supaya nanti di akhir diharapkan mengetahui beberapa hal ini, gitu, supaya bisa bisa difahami, bisa didapatkan beberapa informasi yang ditujukan di awal, begitu. Yang pertama, identifikasi, bisa mengidentifikasi informasi umum, oke, dan khusus, serta kosakata yang terdapat di dalam bacaan dan simakan tentang kegiatan akhir pekan. Oke, nomor 2, menjawab pertanyaan secara lisan. Oke, so you can answer orally and also in written about the weekend activities. Ya, yang ketiga, identify the social functions, the structure, and also linguistic features of recount. Okay, of recount text in the theme of what? In the theme of weekend activities. Okay, and then menulis text recount. Okay, you have to be able to write recount text. Okay, about weekend activities dengan menggunakan fungsi sosial with using the proper social function, and also the structure of the text, the proper structure of the text, and also ciri kebahasaan ya yang tepat. Dan yang terakhir, yang nomor 5, okay, bisa menceritakan kembali. Okay, you can or you are able to retell, okay, the weekend activities orally, okay, using social function, of course, struktur teks juga, dan juga ciri kebahasaan tentang recount text. Oke. Nah, kita akan maju ke slide berikutnya. Oke, kita akan membaca di sini ya. As usual. Okay, the activity is membaca. Okay, what's membaca in English? What's membaca in English? Come on, can you respond me? Membaca. What's membaca in English?
Is read.
Read or reading, yeah. So membaca means reading, okay. Bacalah. So if I ask you to read, okay, I will ask you in bahasa just like this. Bacalah, okay. So using lah at the end of the verb, ya. Bacalah. Oke, bacalah. Percakapan antara Rudy dan Fanny di bawah ini, oke. Mereka sedang berbincang tentang kegiatan yang akan mereka lakukan pada akhir pekan, oke. So they are talking about the activities that will be done in the weekend. Okay, so it is between Rudy and Fanny. Okay, yang pertama, saya minta as usual ya. I ask you to read. Okay, the first one is di darat as Rudy. Alright,
Okay.
and then Cherchon as Fanny. Please.
Apa yang akan kamu lakukan akhir pekan ini?
Okay. And then?
Tidak tahun aku
Tahu.
Aku belum memiliki rencana.
Rencana. Yes, and then?
Bahkan inama.
Bagaimana denganmu?
Bahkan manga dekamun.
Okay. Your turn, Tidarat.
Okay. Aku akan berlibur ke Lombok dengan keluargaku.
Okay, so
Wow. Sepertinya menyenangkan.
menyenangkan. Okay.
Aku juga ingin pergi berlibur.
Okay, so
Mengapa kamu tidak pergi berlibur akhir pekan ini? Akhir
Yeah.
pekan ini.
Aku sedikit sibuk. Banyak sibuk. Banyak tugas yang harus aku kerjakan.
Okay.
Sepertinya
akhir pekan ini
aku di rumah saja dan mengerjakan tugas.
Okay.
Semoga tugasmu cepat selesai. Nanti akan aku bawakan oleh-oleh dari Lombok.
Wah,
baik
sekali.
Okay.
Terima kasih, Rudy.
Okay, so by reading only once, okay, can you guess what's the information of the conversation between Rudy and Fanny? Can you find
about the plan?
Asking about the plan, okay, and then what's plan? Whose plan? And what's the plan? Can you guess?
Rudy's plan.
Rudy's plan, okay. Rudy's plan, and what's the plan?
Vacation? He plans to go to Lombok.
He plans to go to Lombok, okay. And then what's Fanny's response?
Fanny is asking to go together.
Okay, which statement you refer, Vivian? Just now you said that Fanny, what? Asked or being asked? Asked or being asked?
Being asked.
Yeah, okay. Being asked by Rudy, yeah. Okay, let me share. Okay, that statement, very good. Okay, that's Rudy asking Fanny, why don't you go to, why don't you get your vacation in this weekend, like just like that, yeah, to Fanny, okay. And then Fanny responds by saying what? What's Fanny's response to Rudy's questions? Okay, can you
like he has something to do?
Like she has something to do, and what does it mean by sedikit sibuk? You know, sibuk means busy. Yeah, so Fanny is a little busy, okay, because there is lots of homework, okay, that she has to do at a time. It seems she couldn't go for weekend. Okay, so couldn't go for vacation for this weekend, just like that. Okay, let me discuss from the first sentence ya. Okay, this one is Rudy. Apa yang akan kamu lakukan akhir pekan ini? So what are you going to do this weekend? Okay, aku tidak tahu. I don't know. Okay, aku belum memiliki rencana. I haven't have a plan. I haven't have a plan. Okay, bagaimana denganmu? What about you? Fanny asking Rudy. Okay, what about you? I'm going to take a vacation to Lombok with my keluargaku. What does it mean by keluargaku? Keluargaku. Family, very good. Okay, wah, sepertinya menyenangkan. Okay, that would be fascinating or make you happy katanya ya. Aku juga ingin pergi berlibur. Nah, frankly, okay, Fanny wants to have vacation also, but okay, she's a little busy gitu ya. Kenapa busy-nya? Because there is a lot of work or lots of work that she's going to do this weekend. So she will stay at home, okay, to do the homework or the task. Okay, and then Rudy responds by semoga tugasmu cepat selesai. Okay, so Rudy say that I hope your homework will be done soon. Just like that. Okay, nanti akan aku bawakan oleh-oleh. What's oleh-oleh? Oleh-oleh from Lombok. Okay?
Souvenir.
Souvenir. Okay, like yeah, it could be souvenir. It could be special food from Lombok. It could be like, for example, special clothes from Lombok. Yeah, the category is souvenir. Okay, and then Fana responds by, wah, baik sekali, terima kasih Rudy, terima kasih. Yeah, just like that. Okay, so the conversation between Rudy and Fanny, now you know the meaning of the conversation. Okay, just moving to another slide here. Pelajari kosakata yang berhubungan dengan dengan teks di bawah ini. Okay, yang pertama akhir pekan, of course, means weekend, and then rencana means what? Plan, ya. And then sibuk, apa sibuk artinya? What sibuk in English? Busy, okay.
Busy.
Yes, busy. And then tugas, what's tugas here?
Respond.
Assigned work.
Assignment or homework or task, ya, tugas, ya. In bahasa, tugas means assignment, tugas means homework, tugas also can means task. Okay. What about diam? Diam. Dibacanya you have to read like diam, not diam, but diam. Diam. Very good. What's diam in English?
Silent.
Silent.
Okay, silent. Or just stay at home. Stay. Okay, stay means diam also in bahasa. Don't go anywhere. Diam. Itu ya. Diam di rumah. Stay at home. Okay. Diam. If I ask you to, for example, in the classroom, there is a very noisy classroom because every student's talking each other, and then the teacher asks the students to diam, means silence. Okay. And then next one, mengerjakan tugas. Mengerjakan tugas apa?
Working on the task or assignment.
Okay. Very good. Selanjutnya oleh-oleh. Di sini tadi apa oleh-oleh?
Gifts, souvenir.
Yeah, it could be gift, souvenir, yeah. And then baik sekali. Baik sekali?
Excellent.
Excellent, very good. Yes, okay. Itu adalah kosakata tadi yang berhubungan dengan teks yang sebelumnya, ya. Kita lihat di sini. Yeah, for your information, it seems our final class would not end into hours for credit. for 120 minutes. Okay, so it would be shorter than previous than usual. Okay, because we have already covered all of the material. And then this is the information for the closing ceremony for credit transfer also ya. Nanti akan ada closing ceremony, okay, but not now, okay. The management of Kantor Kerjasama Universitas Galuh will inform you the time where exactly when exactly the ceremony will be held, okay. Itu ya, the specific time will be informed later. So yeah, this one, the previous text still the same with this, yeah. And then of course there are several questions, okay, and I believe you can answer this correctly. Okay, jawablah pertanyaan di bawah ini. Number 1, apa yang dilakukan Rudy akhir pekan ini? Who wants to answer number 1? Siapa yang mau menjawab nomor 1? Yes, Vivian, please.
Keluargaku.
Apa, so it means apa yang akan dilakukan Rudy akhir pekan ini?
Oh, where?
What? Apa means what? Okay,
What?
yang akan dilakukan. What will Rudy do in this weekend? You said
akan berlibur ke Lombok.
That's right. Okay, akan berlibur ke Lombok with family, ya, dengan keluargaku. Very good. Nah, kemudian nomor 2, who wants to answer the second number? Nomor 2. It could be Tidara, Cherchan, or Tanya, or Suprinya.
Number 2.
Yes, please.
Okay. Fanny sedikit sibuk.
Fanny, okay. Mengapa Fanny tidak pergi berlibur akhir pekan ini? So Fanny sedikit sibuk. Okay, if there is the question, okay, started with mengapa. Mengapa means why. Okay, so just like in English, you can respond by karena at the first time. Mengapa? Karena. Mengapa? Karena. Okay, so if there is the question begins with mengapa, you have to answer by karena. Okay, you get it, Tanya?
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Terima kasih.
Ya, karena Fanny sedikit sibuk. Very good. Selanjutnya, the last number, who wants to answer number 3? Apa yang dilakukan Fanny akhir pekan ini? Okay.
Saja dan mengerjakan tugas.
Ya. Apa yang dilakukan Fanny akhir pekan ini? Betul sekali, diam di rumah saja dan mengerjakan tugas. Okay, it seems very easy ya, because you have complete 10 meetings for class BIPA. Hopefully you will learn much or learn a lot about bahasa in class BIPA. Next one here. This is much longer. Okay. Berlibur ke Lombok. Okay, you know Lombok is located near Bali Island. Okay, and then Lombok is a very beautiful island. Also, Lombok has many beaches there. And then, yes, it's a recommended place after Bali in Indonesia. Once the pandemic ends, okay, I invite you to go to Lombok. Ya. Oke, kita baca bersama-sama ya. Berlibur ke Lombok. Oke. Apa sih? Sebentar. Wait. Nah, ini dia. Ya, sebentar. Nah, oke, berlibur ke Lombok. Namaku Rudi. Aku tinggal di Bandung. Oke, hari Sabtu dan Minggu lalu aku pergi ke Lombok. Lombok ada di Provinsi Nusa Tenggara Barat. Lombok terletak dekat Pulau Bali, 4-5 jam dengan naik kapal. Aku berangkat pada hari Sabtu dengan pesawat pukul 7 pagi dari Bandung dan transit di Denpasar, Bali selama 3 jam. Oke. Perjalanan dari Bandung ke Bali hanya 1 jam 45 menit. Setelah transit selama 3 jam, aku naik pesawat lagi menuju Lombok. Perjalanan dari Bali ke Lombok dengan pesawat ditempuh dalam 25 menit. Aku tiba di Lombok pukul 13.15. Dari Bandara Lombok, aku naik taksi ke hotel. Aku menginap di Hotel Giri. Tiba di hotel, aku check-in dan menaruh koperku. Lalu aku makan siang. Malam hari, aku bertemu temanku, Ramdhani. Dia orang Lombok. Kami berbincang sampai pukul 9 malam. Pukul 9.30, aku tidur. Oke. The third paragraph ya. Hari kedua, aku berangkat ke Pantai Mawun pukul 8 pagi. Pantai Mawun sangat indah. Airnya biru. Setelah itu, aku mengunjungi Desa Sade. Desa Sade adalah desa tradisional. Kita bisa melihat rumah tradisional orang Sasak di sana. Dari Desa Sade, aku mengunjungi Desa Sukarara. Di sana, aku membeli kain khas Lombok. Pukul 17, aku kembali ke hotel, mandi dan bersiap ke bandara. Pukul 8 malam, aku kembali ke Bandung. Oke, the last paragraph. Aku sangat senang bisa mengunjungi Lombok dan juga bertemu Ramdhani. Aku akan datang lagi ke Lombok lain waktu. Okay, so quite long, text, yeah. It tells about the journey of Rudy, who's living in Bandung, and then having weekend to Lombok, and then in Lombok meets a friend, and then having conversation with him, and then going to several beach, and then going to traditional villages there, yeah. As usual, I want you to read, one person, one paragraph. One person, one paragraph. The first one, Vivian, the first paragraph, please.
Namaku Rudi, aku tinggal di Bandung. Hari Sabtu dan Minggu lalu, aku pergi berlibur ke Lombok. Lombok ada di Provinsi Nusa Tenggara Barat. Lombok terletak dekat dengan Pulau Bali, 4-5 jam dengan naik kapal.
Very good ya. Terima kasih Vivian. Selanjutnya, Tidarat, please, the second paragraph.
Aku berangkat pada hari Sabtu dengan pesawat pukul 7 pagi dari Bandung dan transit di Denpasar, Bali selama 3 jam. Perjalanan dari Bandung ke Bali hanya 2 jam
1 jam.
Satu.
Satu.
Satu jam. Wait a minute, I forget.
1 jam.
45 Mindy.
Yeah, I can
It's
hear. Okay.
Salah
Doesn't
transit.
matter. Okay.
Okay.
And then?
Setelah transit selama 3 jam, aku
Naik.
naik
Yes.
pesawat pagi menuju Lombok. Perjalanan dari Bali ke Lombok dengan pesawat dijemput dalam 25
Yeah,
menit.
good.
Aku tiba di Lombok cukup 13 15
Iya, 13,
Dali.
15.
dari Bandara
Apa?
Lombok. Aku naik taksi ke
Taksi.
hotel. Taksi ke hotel. Aku menginap di hotel kiri. Tiba di hotel, aku check in dan menaruh koperku. Lalu aku makan siang. Malam hari, aku bertemu temanku Bramdani. Dia orang Lombok. Kami berbincang sampai pukul. Pukul.
Pukul? What
Mana
time?
menit, please.
Pukul 9?
9
Okay.
malam. Pukul
Yeah.
9 malam.
And then?
30.
Ya,
Aku
pukul
tidur.
9.30 aku tidur. Terima kasih. Okay, get some drink di darat ya, because it's quite long paragraph. Okay. Terima kasih. Selanjutnya Cherchon, the said paragraph.
Oke. Hari kedua aku berangkat ke Pantai Maun pukul 8 jam.
8 pagi.
8 jam pagi. Pantai Maun sangat indah.
Airnya biru.
Airnya biru. Setelah itu aku mengunjungi
Ya.
Desa Sade.
Okay.
Desa Sade adalah desa tradisional.
Then
Kita bisa melihat rumah tradisional orang Sasak di sana desa Sade.
dari desa Sade.
Dari desa Sade, aku mengunjungi
Ya.
Desa Sukalala. Di sana aku membeli kain.
Ya.
Kain khas Lombok. Pukul 17 jam. Aku
Okay.
kembali ke hotel,
Mhm.
mandi dan bersab ke dan dala
Bandara.
pukul
Ya.
bandara
Mhm.
pukul 8 malam.
Mhm.
Aku kembali ke Bandung.
Oke, terima kasih. Bagus ya. Oke, selanjutnya, because it's quite short paragraph, okay, you have to continue the last paragraph. Continue to the first paragraph, ya. Tanya, please. Last paragraph, and then you get back to the first paragraph.
Okay. Aku sangat senang bisa mengunjungi Lombok dan juga bertemu Ramdhani. Aku akan datang lagi ke Lombok lain waktu.
Mhm.
Okay, so I supposed to continue for the first paragraph again.
Yes.
Okay. Namaku Rudy. Aku tinggal di Bandung. Hari Sabtu dan Minggu lalu, aku pergi berlibur ke Lombok. Lombok ada di Provinsi Nusa Tenggara Barat. Lombok terletak
Mhm.
dekat dengan Pulau Bali.
Yes.
Pulau Bali 4
Mhm.
sampai
4 sampai
5 jam dengan naik kapal.
Okay. It is the last paragraph for the last speaker, I think, for you, Suprinya. The second paragraph, Suprinya, please.
Yeah, teacher. Aku berangkat
Mhm.
pada hari Sabtu
Mhm.
dengan pesawat pukul
Pukul 7.
7
Ya.
pagi dari Bandan dan
Mhm.
transit di Denpasar, Bali selama 3 jam.
Okay.
Perjalanan dari Bandung
Dari Bandung ke Bali.
ke Bali hanya 1 jam 45
menit.
5 menit.
Mhm.
Central Transit selama 3 jam. Aku naik
Mhm.
pesawat
Mhm.
lagi menuju Lombok. Perjalanan dari Bali ke Lombok dengan pesawat ditempuh dalam
25 menit.
25 menit.
Ya.
Aku tiba di Lombok pukul 13:15
Ya.
dari bandara Lombok. Aku naik
Naik.
taksi
Ya.
ke hotel. Aku menginap di Hotel Gili. Tiba di hotel. Aku check in dan menaruh koperku. Lalu aku makan siang.
Ya, oke.
Malam hari aku bertemu temanku Ramdhani. Dia orang Lombok.
Ya. Oke, and then?
Kami berbincang sampai pukul 9 malam. Pukul 9:30 aku tidur.
Oke, finish. Oke, terima kasih. Good job. Ya. Kita lihat sekarang bacanya sudah mulai fluent ya. Membacanya. Very good. Oke, semuanya sudah bisa membaca lumayan panjang dengan akurasi yang lumayan bagus ya. Kita akan cari tahu artinya, the meaning of this text. Oke. Berlibur ke Lombok means what? Vacation, going vacation to Lombok or holiday to Lombok. Okay, namaku Rudy, my name is Rudy, and then I live in Bandung, and then hari Sabtu malam dan minggu lalu means Sabtu. What day? Saturday. What about minggu?
Sunday.
Sunday. Okay, of course this is Saturday and Sunday because it's weekend. Ya, aku pergi berlibur ke Lombok, so I have vacation to Lombok. Okay, Lombok is in the province of Nusa Tenggara Barat in Indonesia. Ya, Lombok is located near Bali Island. Okay, it takes 4 until 5 hours with kapal. You know kapal? Still remember about vehicle, about transportation? Kapal, apa itu kapal?
By boat.
Boat, very good. Okay, by boat. Okay, it will take until 4 until 5 hours with using a boat. Okay, aku berangkat pada hari Sabtu dengan pesawat pukul 7. Okay, pagi dari Bandung dan transit di Denpasar. So, what transportation that Rudy used when he wants to go to Lombok from Bandung? Plane. Okay. What's plane in bahasa?
Pesawat.
Pesawat. You remember clearly, okay, about pesawat ya, Vivian. Okay. Terima kasih. Very good. Perjalanan dari Bandung ke Bali. How many times? How many time it takes from Bali to Denpasar using pesawat?
3 hours.
3 jam.
Okay. Perjalanan dari Bandung ke Bali. You have to read in detail. Okay. Aku berangkat pada hari Sabtu dengan pesawat pukul 7. Okay. Okay. Can you get it?
1 jam.
1 jam 45 menit.
40
Okay.
menit.
3 jam. So what's 3 jam for there? 3 jam is the time for transit. Yeah. It's the time for transit. Okay. Before going to Denpasar to Bali, but the time takes only 1 and 45 minutes. Okay, from Bandung to Bali. Setelah transit selama 3 jam, okay, aku naik pesawat lagi menuju Lombok. So there is no one way
Plane.
Yeah, the right plane for going to Denpasar, yeah, for going to Denpasar from Bandung. And then perjalanan dari Bali ke Lombok, how many times? that we need to go to Lombok from Bali or from
2,
Denpasar?
3 minutes.
25.
25.
Yes, 25. Okay, so it takes only 25 minutes from Bali to Lombok. It's very near. Okay. Aku tiba di Lombok pukul 13.15. Oke, dari Bandara Lombok, aku naik taksi ke hotel. So, he used a taxi to go to the hotel. Aku menginap di Hotel Giri. The name of the hotel is Giri. Oke, Giri Hotel. Yes, tiba di hotel, aku check in dan menaruh koperku. What's koper in English? Koper?
Suitcase.
Suitcase or luggage. Okay, ya. Aku menginap, lalu makan siang. And then makan siang in English? What's makan siang?
Lunch.
Lunch, very good. Malam hari, at night, okay, aku bertemu temanku, Ramdhani. What's the meaning of this sentence? Malam hari, aku bertemu temanku, Ramdhani.
Met my friend. Her name is
Okay, I met-
Ramdhani.
Yes, okay, I met a friend whose name is Ramdhani. Dia orang Lombok, okay. The origins of Ramdhani is from Lombok, okay. Kami berbincang sampai pukul 9 malam, okay. They have conversation until 9 p.m. ya. And then at 9:30 I go to sleep. Hari kedua, second day, okay. Aku berangkat ke Pantai Mawun, okay, jam 8 pagi. I go to Mawun Beach, okay, at 8. Pantai Mawun sangat indah. What sangat indah? Sangat indah means? Sangat means very, okay, indah is beautiful, so very beautiful. Sangat indah, okay. If I say, Vivian sangat cantik, Cherchon sangat cantik means?
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful. Okay. Sangat bagus, very good. Just like that. Okay. Sangat banyak means very much or a lot. Sangat banyak. Okay. And then airnya biru. The water, the color of the water is blue. Setelah itu aku mengunjungi Desa Sade. And then after that, I go to visit Desa Sade. Yeah, Desa Sade means the name of the village. Desa means village, and then Sade means the name of the village. Okay, Desa Sade adalah desa tradisional. It's traditional village. Okay, kita bisa melihat rumah tradisional orang Sasak di sana. We can see the traditional house of Sasak. Okay, the name of the people is Sasak. Okay, the name of the village is Sade, and then the people name the name of the people is Sasak. Okay, dari Desa Sade. Okay, from Desa Sade, I go to Desa Sukarara, okay, another village. Okay, di sana aku membeli kain khas Lombok. Okay, kain khas Lombok is very well known because it's very special. Okay, kain tenun in bahasa we can say kain tenun, ya. If you know batik, okay, you know batik?
Yes.
Batik from Indonesia, but this one is tenun from Lombok. It's much more expensive because the making takes time, okay, from, you know, cotton and then being material fabric and then using apa, bisa langsung bisa menjadi kain itu membutuhkan waktu yang lama, okay, takes time, ya. Dan juga selanjutnya kita lihat pukul 17 aku kembali ke hotel, mandi dan bersiap ke bandara. Oke, what's mandi? Mandi. Still remember mandi?
Taking a shower.
Taking a shower dan bersiap ke bandara and having ready to go to airport, bandara, ya. Pukul 8 malam aku kembali ke Bandung. So at 8 p.m. Okay, I get back to Bandung. Aku sangat senang bisa mengunjungi Lombok. Okay, I'm very happy visiting Lombok, can visit Lombok. Okay, dan juga bertemu Ramdhani and also can meet Ramdhani. Aku akan datang lagi ke Lombok lain waktu. Oke, ya itu adalah cerita teks dari berlibur ke Lombok. Siapa yang berlibur ke Lomboknya adalah Rudy. Oke, setelah itu di sini ada kosakatanya seperti biasa, berangkat ya. Di sana teman-teman Vivian sekarang bisa Cercon, Supringa dan lainnya bisa baca berangkat itu artinya apa, teman itu artinya friends. Oke, perjalanan artinya apa? Journey ya, atau misalnya mengunjungi apa? Mengunjungi
Visiting.
visiting, oke, menuju heading to ya, menginap apa menginap?
Stay at that place.
Ya,
Living in the place.
And then menaruh,
Where?
Wearing.
Put on.
yes, and then mengajak,
Invite.
invite or ask, oke, berbincang,
Having
Talking.
conversation.
ya, berbincang, having conversation or talking each other, sangat, very, ya, and then desa is village, and then what about kain tadi, masih ingat kain apa?
Expensive cloth.
Kain means
Special.
fabric material, ya.
Fabric
Yeah.
material.
Yeah. Khas, what is khas? It's special.
Special.
Yeah, special. Bersiap, what's bersiap?
Prepare.
Prepare.
Prepare. Very good. Kembali, what about kembali?
Return.
back.
Return, get back. Okay. Setelah?
After.
After. And then tiba is arrive.
Arrive.
Right.
Yes, very good. Nah,
Alright.
sampai sini dulu. Ada yang ditanyakan? Any questions? Ada yang ditanyakan?
Tidak.
Tidak. Oke, kita lanjutkan sedikit lagi ya. Nah, di sini ada teksnya, di sini ada pertanyaannya. Kita jawab sama-sama ya. Oke, let's answer together. Oke. Kemana Rudy berlibur? Kemana Rudy berlibur? Kemana Rudy
Bandung.
berlibur? Oke. Siapapun, kita sama-sama saja menjawabnya. Oke.
Lombok.
Berlibur kemana? Ke Lombok. Oke. You can see red line on the text ya. Berlibur ke Lombok. So that's the answer. What about number 2? Di mana Lombok? Lombok itu ada di
Provinsi Nusa Tenggara Barat.
Oke, very good. Lombok ada di Provinsi Nusa Tenggara Barat. Ya, oke. Number 3, oke. Ceritakan kembali bagaimana perjalanan Rudy dari Bandung ke Lombok. Nah, bagaimana nih? Siapa yang mau menceritakan?
Perjalanan.
Gimana perjalanannya? Can you explain how Rudy go to Lombok from Bandung? Rudy berangkat menggunakan
dengan pesawat.
Dengan pesawat, kemudian ditempuh dalam bagus sekali
2,3 menit.
Ditempuh dalam 1 jam 45 menit. Ya, ditempuh dalam 1 jam 45 menit. Dan Rudy berangkat ke Lombok menggunakan apa? Menggunakan pesawat. Ya, Rudy menggunakan pesawat ke Lomboknya. Oke, Anda bisa cari tahunya di paragraf yang kedua. Oke, you can see the answers on second paragraph of this questions ya, of the third question. Oke, yang pertama berarti begini, ceritakan kembali bagaimana perjalanan Rudy dari Bandung ke Lombok. Oke, Rudy berangkat dari Bandung jam 7 hari Sabtu pagi. Oke, dan transit di Denpasar, Bali selama 3 jam. Kemudian setelah transit, naik pesawat lagi menuju Lombok. Oke, dari Bali ke Lombok, oke, menggunakan pesawat, ya, ditempuh dalam 25 menit. Dan kemudian Rudy tiba di Lombok pukul 13.15. That's it, oke. Cara Rudy sampai ke Pulau Lombok dari Bandung. What about the last? Rudy bertemu dengan siapa di Lombok? Bertemu dengan siapa Rudy di Lombok?
Teman.
Bertemu dengan teman.
Ramdhani.
Siapa namanya? Siapa namanya? Nah, namanya Ramdhani. Bagus sekali
Ramdhani.
ya. Ya, Ramdhani is the name of Rudy's friend there. Sudah bisa juga menjawabnya ya, mudah ya. Oke, bagus sekali. Nah, di sini ada tambahan penjelasan mengenai keterangan waktu. Oke, keterangan waktu. Hari ini, aku akan bertemu temanku. Kami sudah lama tidak bertemu. Dia sedang berkunjung ke Bandung. Jadi aku sangat senang bertemu dengannya. Di sini ada adverb of time. Not the precise, I mean keterangan waktu, adverb of time ada. You can see the bold verb there, akan, and then sudah, and then sedang. Nah, the meaning of that word, sudah atau telah atau sedang atau lagi, akan, pernah, belum, itu positif. Itu artinya adalah positif. Kemudian kita lihat dulu di sini. Nah, penjelasannya ya, sudah atau telah. Telah. The example on the sentence. Saya sudah mengerjakan tugas itu kemarin. Kemudian dia telah membuat ibunya sedih. Sepatu itu sudah lama tidak dipakai. Means, the first sentence in A. Dia sudah mengerjakan tugas itu kemarin. Sudah means in the past. Complete, has been completed. Has been completed the activity. What's activity? Doing task. The tugas. What about telah? What about telah? Telah juga sama. Telah, sudah itu sama artinya. The same meaning with different verb. Next one here, sedang or lagi. Ya, sedang or lagi, just like in English. If we have the adverb of time past, present, and future. It's just like this. Sudah atau telah is in the past. Sedang atau lagi is
Excuse
present.
me.
Yes.
For sudah and telah, for letter B, can I use dia sudah membuat?
Yeah. Dia sudah membuat. It means that she has complete the making of something.
Oh, so I can either choose to use sudah or telah.
You can use both.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can use both. Kita lanjutkan dengan sedang ya. Sedang means present, for the present. Ongoing process. Ya, ongoing process. Vina sedang tidur. Vina is sleeping. Dia lagi menulis surat. She is writing a letter. Lagi and sedang similar meaning with different verb, with different word. Rumah itu sedang diperbaiki. The house is in the process of fixing. Just like this. Sedang. Means ongoing process. And then akan. What about akan? Akan, it's for the future. Will. Saya tidak akan pergi hari ini. I will not go today. And then dia akan pergi ke Bandung minggu depan. Dia akan pergi ke Bandung minggu depan. So he will or she will go to Bandung next week. What about the C? Dini akan berkunjung ya ke Wat Pho minggu ini. Dini will visit Wat Pho this week. And then another explanation here. Pernah. What about pernah? Pernah? Can you see the Thai word there?
Used to.
Ya, get used to ya. Nina tidak pernah terlambat ke sekolah. Saya pernah belajar bahasa Thai. Dia tidak pernah naik pesawat. So it can used to, also it can means ever. Ya, ever. Sorry. The last one. Belum. What about belum?
Not yet.
Not yet. Dia belum menikah. Okay. Dia belum menikah. He hasn't get married. Or saya belum mandi. I haven't taken a bath. So belum means not yet. Ya, not yet. Nah, di sini ada tambahannya adalah keterangan kualitas. Ya, oke. Tadi sudah disinggung di teks ya. If I say, Vivian, Tidara Cherchon, you are very beautiful. I can say in bahasa, kamu sangat cantik. So, the keterangan kualitas in that sentence is sangat.
Sangat.
Iya, sangat. Aku sangat suka tom yum. It means tom yum. Rasanya enak sekali. Sekali means very much. Okay. Aku lebih suka tom tam daripada yum wonsen. Rasa somtam lebih somtam it's different with tom yum.
Yes. Sometimes
Yes.
is in English they used to call it papaya salad, and tom yum is a soup.
But I
Spicy
haven't. Okay, if I haven't tried somtam, but I of course have eat the
Try
tom yum
tom
because
yum.
tom yum is very well known. Okay, somtam. So it's for only papaya.
The main ingredients is raw papaya. It needs to be still green, raw papaya, and then they will mix it together with fish
With the tomato.
sauce and the tomato, cucumber. It depends on what type of somtam you want.
Oh, I see. It seems like rujak in Indonesia. We also use raw papaya and then also raw mango and then many raw fruit used for rujak in Indonesia. And then what about the apa itu ya? What about the apa itu namanya? Bumbunya. Apa bumbunya ya? You know bumbu? You know bumbu? What about the flavor? The flavor?
Spicy.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Just like, is it using is it using? Let me check.
Chili
and then sugar? No.
Yes. Have sugar.
Not the white type sugar, but the brownish one.
Yeah, it's deep. It's similar with Indonesia. Rujak is also use the brown sugar, okay, and then
Brown
mixed
sugar
with
from, I think it's from coconut.
Yeah, from coconut. Same, okay, it's same with ours in Indonesia. It's rujak, okay, and then it mixed with chili, and then it mixed also with yeah, some raw fruits, okay, and then you just eat just like what is that? Take the flavor and then with a spicy flavor. So it's we usually eat rujak if the weather is very hot, okay, and then we take like the atmosphere of segar begitu ya. It makes us awake.
I think what makes somtam in Thailand special is that different store or different shop, they will have pickled fish, which is the smell. It depends. If some people like it, they will really like it, but if some do not like it, it will be very smelly for them.
Just like people who likes durian, yeah.
Yeah.
Some people will like it very much, whether the less maybe don't like it so much. Okay, so now we have the relationship, okay, in terms of the food, ya, rujak and also somtam in Thailand. Okay, rasanya enak sekali because the Thai food it's well known with the sour food, ya. So that's somtam, okay, sour and spicy, ya. Rasanya enak sekali. Aku lebih suka somtam daripada yum wunsen. Okay, I don't know. This one is different. Another
Yum wunsen. Wunsen is a type of what is it in English?
Glass noodles.
Noodle.
It's vermicelli. It's white and
It's product from green bean.
yeah.
เขียว
เฮ้ยวุ้นเส้นมันมาจากถั่วเขียว
ถูกแล้ว
Yeah, okay. So it's let's say the big noodle.
No, it's called the
it's not
glass
a
noodles.
noodle. Wunsen is a noodle, but yum it's not with
Chewy.
water.
It's chewy. It's chewy.
Yes, that is sour and chewy.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I get more excited to have Thai food, okay, from the conversation with Thai people here. Okay.
Yeah, I also want to try rujak.
Okay, yeah, next time maybe, ya. Okay. That's the keterangan kualitas. Okay, back to our business. Okay, keterangan kualitas, ya. Di sini ada sangat, lebih, okay. Ada juga sekali, ya, means very much. Okay, you can see how to use sangat, lebih, and also sekali on the slides here. All right. Okay, and then let's see. Okay, here. Nah, di sini saya akan bercerita, okay. Simakan, you know simakan, listening. Okay, so Namta bercerita tentang kegiatannya pada akhir pekan. Okay, dengarkan cerita Namta. Okay, Namta, it's cerita akhir pekan Namta, ya. So you have to listen to me. I will read the text for you, and then you have to answer those 5 questions on the slides. Okay, ready? Yes. All right, this one. Let's start. Kegiatanku di akhir pekan. Halo, namaku Namta. Hari Sabtu dan Minggu lalu aku berkunjung ke Krabi. Aku pergi dengan Tanaporn. Kami naik bus dari Songkla pukul 9 pagi dan tiba di kota Krabi pukul 2 siang. Dari terminal bus, kami naik tuk-tuk dan turun di Aonang. Kami menginap di Hotel Franang. Kami pergi ke pantai Aonang naik kapal dan mengunjungi pasar tradisional. Hari Minggu kami kembali ke Songkla. Okay, once again. Okay, I will read the text once again for you. Kegiatanku di akhir pekan. Halo, namaku Namta. Hari Sabtu dan Minggu lalu, aku berkunjung ke Krabi. Aku pergi dengan Tanaporn. Kami naik bus dari Songkla pukul 9 pagi dan tiba di kota Krabi pukul 2 siang. Dari terminal bus, kami naik tuk-tuk. Dan turun di Aonang, kami menginap di Hotel Franang. Kami pergi ke pantai Aonang, naik kapal. Okay, dan mengunjungi pasar tradisional. Hari Minggu kami kembali ke Songkla. So, let's see. Yeah, can you answer the first number? Siapa yang berkunjung ke Krabi? Okay, can you answer? Anyone? Siapa yang berkunjung ke Krabi?
Sabtu dan Minggu.
Siapa? Siapa means who?
Oh, Namta.
Namta. Okay, very good. Namta. Number 2, ya. Alat transportasi apa yang mereka gunakan? What kind of transportation that they use? Bus. Okay. How do you spell bus in bahasa?
Bis.
Bis. Okay, bis, ya. Bis. And the word and the letter is, what about the letter? B. It could be BIS and also it could be BUS. Yes, very good. Kemudian nomor 3. Okay, berapa jam perjalanan Songkla ke Krabi? How many hours? From 9 to, still remember?
2 p.m.
From 9 to 2.
9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 6 hours.
Yes, around 6 hours. 10, 11, 12, 1 and 2, 5 hours.
5 hours.
Yes, 5
3
hours.
jam.
5, 5.
5 jam.
5 jam. Ya, 5 jam. Okay.
3
And then, 3 itu 3. Di mana mereka menginap?
Hotel.
Di hotel. Okay. Hotel
Di
apa
hotel.
namanya? What's the name of the hotel?
Hotel.
From fee. The word starts from fee. Franang. Yeah. Hotel Franang. Hotel Franang. Franang Hotel. Okay. So, and then the last one, apa saja kegiatan mereka di Krabi? Apa saja kegiatan mereka di Krabi? Kegiatan means activity. Okay, what's their activity in Krabi? Their activity in Krabi? Go to
market.
Go to the beach.
Yeah? Once
Go
again?
to the beach. Go to the beach.
Go to the beach. Okay, what kind of beach? What's the name of the beach? Very good.
Name she.
Aonang. Aonang.
Aonang.
Yeah,
Oh.
Aonang Beach. Okay, and then visit the traditional
something
market.
About market.
Yeah, traditional market. Very good. Yeah. They visit traditional market and go to the beach. Okay, Aonang Beach. Ya, yeah? Very good. Ini adalah transkrip teksnya. Okay. Halo, namaku Namta. Hari Sabtu dan Minggu lalu aku berkunjung ke Krabi. Aku pergi dengan Tanaporn. Kami naik bis atau naik bus dari Songkla pukul 9 pagi dan tiba di kota Krabi pukul 2 siang. So it takes 5 hours. Dari terminal bus, kami naik tuk-tuk dan turun di Aonang. Kami menginap di Hotel Franang. Kami pergi ke Pantai Aonang, naik kapal dan mengunjungi pasar tradisional. Hari Minggu, kami kembali ke Songkla. Alright, so up to this point, ada pertanyaan tidak? Ada pertanyaan? Any questions?
Tidak.
Because we have complete, okay, the last material here on the 10th meeting, okay, but I will share the information of recording, okay, for the closing ceremony, okay, for credit transfer students. You were asked to record the video, okay, using Bahasa Indonesia, every one of you, of course, using Bahasa. Okay, the content of your video is asking, just like tell me about your experience, okay, learning BIPA and also learning another course in Unigal, okay, and then ask Thai people to join Unigal. Okay, can you get the point? And then I think the time will not around 5 and 10 minutes. Okay, I think not more than 10 minutes, I think.
Mhm.
Yes, 5 minutes, it's enough, I think. Yeah, the video, 5 or 10 minutes. The testimony, the testimony about your experience learning BIPA, learning bahasa, and also learning several course in Unigal, and also ask your friends in Thailand to visit Indonesia, especially Unigal, to join Unigal, just like that. And also ask Indonesian people around Ciamis to join Unigal. Okay? Nanti the specific time of closing ceremony will be informed to you via group WhatsApp. All right. Yes, I think if there is no questions, okay, I really thanks to you all to have to learn Bahasa Indonesia with me. Okay, hopefully it will be beneficial for me also and you to learn Bahasa Indonesia. Oke, terima kasih banyak atas kesempatannya. Semoga nanti kita bisa bertemu ya. Oke, hopefully we can meet not virtually, of course ya. Next time maybe. Oke. Karena sudah hampir 1 tahun lebih ya, it is more than a year. We have online conversation, online class, online everything in online. Okay, it makes me a bit so bored, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Semuanya mengalami itu ya. I believe everyone experience the same. Okay. Yes, kalau begitu terima kasih banyak atas perhatiannya. Semoga kita bisa bertemu lagi di kesempatan yang lain ya. Terima kasih banyak semuanya. Selamat siang.
Selamat siang.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Hope see you again.
Hati-hati.
Happy.
ยา
เฮ้ยเพื่อนเปิดกล้องไหม
ถ่ายรูปเหรอ
ไม่รู้เหมือนกัน
finally
เป็นที่
I see
ระ
your
ทึกไม่มี
face.
Yeah,
One
let's take a
day I see
picture.
your face.
What to keep
Tanya
memory.
dan Tidara dan Sufinya. Bye, boleh di capture ya, bye. Okay. Yes, goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you. Terima kasih. Hope you see you again. ลาก่อนเพื่อนๆไม่ได้เจออาจารย์แล้ว บ๊ายบาย เศร้าไปแล้วนะ